Hey, how y'all doing? King coming at you from again.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, the True Phoenix. I want to show you something, a problem that I ran into that guy didn't mention to us on his video. He may have, he may not have, but I ran into a problem where the top wouldn't fit down over on the bottom case. And so I decided to take everything apart again because, it's got to fit. But anyway, this steel ring here was the problem. The steel ring, he did not, if he did, I didn't pay attention to him. Let us know that this ring goes inside of this unit here. It goes inside of that unit, and there is a washer that goes in there as well. So you can see that ring comes out. Now I'm going to go back and take another look to make sure, because this washer here goes inside of this ring, and when I was putting it on, I didn't make sure that that ring went inside of that hole there. I didn't make sure of that. Instead, I'll show you what I did, and you may do the same thing. I don't know if you're going to run into that same problem. This washer here, well, trust me, there's a washer in it. I don't want to take it out. It might damage it. This washer goes inside of here. Then he said put this washer in here. He said to put this down on here. Now I don't remember him saying put this ring here inside of this ring. I don't remember him saying that. I don't remember him saying put this inside of here. The only thing that I remember him saying was take it and put it down on there. That's the only thing I remember. Yeah. That's the only thing that I remember. So the problem that I had was, let me put a little grease on there to keep it from falling out. The only thing that I remember was to put that rubber up there and that ring there, and then put this on top. That's the only part that I remember. Now he may have said something, I may have missed it. I know I missed it. See how that ring fell out? You don't want that ring to fall out. You don't want that brass ring to fall out. And I messed around and dropped something else. Oh man, let me give me some grease. Stuff keeps falling out. Grease helps it from coming out. Likewise on this side here, I want to put some grease in there to keep it from falling out. See how it fell out again? It fell out again. Well, that's the problem. Both of them fell out. That's the problem that I was having. So maybe I should turn it upside down and try to put it in. And we'll turn this here upside down. Put this in, bless you. like that. Then take this, turn it upside down like this. The ring is in and the washer's in. Turn it like this. Now it's in. So now this is a little bit more flush. It's a little bit more flush around the edge. And this is going to fit a lot better. See, that's a little bit more flush. That's a lot more flush. Whereas before it was up high. Before it was up high and it just didn't seem like it fit right. So alright, let me go ahead on and I'm going to put the veins in first. Let me see, should I put the vein? I forgot. Do I put the veins in first? Put the ring in. Ring in. This in. Okay. You know, I don't remember. I swear to God, I don't remember. I know it was hard as hell getting it done, though. Well, if I didn't get it right, I could go on memory if I wanted to, but I might have to take this back out and put the spring in. I might. Precision Instruments, guys. No, where I got full confidence that it's going to work. If it doesn't work, then I'll just get another pump. But I'm not going to buy anything when I don't have to. And I'm going to want to go down. It's supposed to go down. It's not going down. There it goes. It has to go between that plastic and the wall. It's unusual, but that's, I don't know about unusual, but weird. I say weird. You guys that do this all the time, y'all know it's, y'all know if I make a mistake or not. I welcome your comments. this one is down. All of these are down. The rings down. Now I have to put that spring in there. See, that's much more flush. I wasn't flush before. I was getting ready to put the top on. Now, how did I do this, guys? I think I used my vice grips, and then I pushed it down on there, and then I finished it up with, oh yeah, I remember now. I used feeler gauge, then the feeler gauged, I used my pliers, feeler gauge, a thick feeler gauge. I use my pliers and I put them, I think I did it like this. And I pushed down on it really hard. Got it in there. Supposed to have my glasses on, guys. There it is. Got that in there. This is turning really good. And that's down. Some spring in there. Now I was going to take this top here, put it down on there, and it didn't want to go. So he said to line these two up right here, this one and that one. This hole should line up. Put this in here like this. There you go. See, that's much better. See that? See how that's flush right there? See how that's flusher? That's much flusher than it was before. Much more, much better. Okay, now he told me what to do. He said, if you want to line this up correctly, you're going to need to have a tool. So the next thing to do is to get that alignment tool and line it up. That's what he said. That's what he said. Doesn't look like that's lining up pretty good. This hole lines up with this hole. Just like that. I ain't gonna let you go that easy. You gotta say you want to. I ain't gonna let you go that easy. It's not lining up, guys. See the hole. There you go. Perfect. There you go. That don't look right. There it is. take your buttons, put them in there, finger tight. Seems like there should be a better way to line that up though. I've got an inch-pound tool coming. I don't know how much I paid for it, $30-something here. And what I can just use my own strength, you know. But I'm making a video and I want to make sure I do it at least right for a little bit. Some Loctite on there, guys. You didn't mention it. This is aluminum once again, so you don't want to mess it up too bad. Now I'm going to get the alignment tool. I don't even know if I had an alignment tool before. I don't even know if I want to break my bucket up like that or not, but I'm going to do it. And I'll come back and talk to you guys later after I get the tool together. What it's doing is it's putting it on there perfectly. Then we'll be done. Alright, y'all take it easy and I'll talk to y'all later.